Okay guys, this is a CT5-V Blackwing, 6-speed manual, and then I'm gonna do a little test drive, and then we're gonna have JP record it. So 여기 왔다 갔다 하면서 뭐 알아서.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the regular mode, and then if I press this, I set the V mode. So and then this is the rev match. 좀 고개 아프지?
아 괜찮아요. It's okay. Oh, cool seat. Oh, nice.
어? 이거 언제 켰어?
Oh, it was on.
It was on?
네.
Oh, it's automatic. Normally it's not on.
Oh.
But then seems like they detect your weight, and then it turns on automatically. It's cool.
Interesting.
Okay, so it's the first gear, and then speed on. Sport 4S, so the tires are really good in terms of traction.
It's supposed to be pretty sticky.
Yeah, it is sticky, the stickiest of all. I mean, not the stickiest, but then. So, what do you think about the acceleration?
Oh, it's pretty fast.
Very torquey. So that means the first gear I need to feather it, huh? 65, there's a rev limiter. I mean, not rev limiter, but then we could, yeah, 65 is where the fuel cut is. Doesn't feel heavy, right?
Not really.
Yeah, the car's really heavy. I mean, not really.
So much power.
23 pounds, but then it feels light because of torque. So much torque. 668 brake horsepower.